I sing it or I say to you, that won't be enough. I give my heart to you, baby, so don't ever ever break it. Yeah, I know it's really complicated, cause these feelings that we're going through, we never hate. But I ain't got no fear, lost my mind and lost my heart, I'm just flowing with it, baby girl. So don't ever ever change it, the infinity's between us has got me going crazy. And have I told you lately that you're my only lady? You tell me that I'm the best, but you got me home my test. Told me for a while and let my heart to your break. You probably must be smiling with you, you're plugging, just listening. I'm just feeling, closing my eyes and let my heart do the talking. All your love and affection is more than addiction. But it ain't no drug, but I can resist the temptation. It corrects me when I'm looking wrong and shows me off the right direction. I'm anticipating, losing my patience, hoping I can make it through my dreams, my aspiration. But the smile that I be singing on your face, that's my biggest mission. Baby girl, I love you, I hope you like my dedication. Your heart seems to empty, let me feel it every time. There won't be any complication. The club, but never thought that I'd be passing through. Thought that love was something stupid, girl, I really had no clue. But thanks to you, you've changed my view. Girl, I got respect for the things you do and the things you choose for me and you. Yeah. Sometimes it's crazy how we talk on the phone. Don't have much to say, but still we be going on. No caring about the time, but just love being online. Sharing all the feelings, our emotions to be gone. And I be saying stupid things to put that smile back on your face. And now that you don't really suit on your lovely kissy face. I know this times are getting hard. The things that you've been going through is breaking you apart. But I just want you to be strong, don't never give it up. I'm with you when you're all alone, I'll be there to pick you up. I'll be there to hug you, tell you what your cheers and make you laugh.